sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. You're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh, oh. 'Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. Oh, I don't care.
Si Kakay na happy anniversary.
Ayoko.
Ay! Sa couple na sobrang aking inaabangan at sinusubaybayan, Tristan, Jessica, happy 5th anniversary. Sobrang kaloka itong ginagawa kong clip. Pero enjoy each other's company at sana more years pa para ikaw na magkasama kayo at sana sundan niyo si Klang at si G. Okay, love you. At nga pala, PS, mahal na mahal ka daw ni Tristan, Jess, OM. I love you both. See you soon.
Hi Kai! Happy 5th year anniversary sa inyo ni Boy.
May God continue to bless you and your Lappy Taps. Bless you both with more wonderful memories together in the coming years. More happiness and more love or more fun. This video surprise is from E-Boy. Pinilit niya kami. Charing lang. Pero it just shows how much he loves you. And I know you can feel it too. May you guys continue to love each other so that we can really witness your road to forever. God bless you both. And see you real soon, Kai. I miss you and I love you.
Happy 5th anniversary, Kai and E-Boy! Ako yung isa sa mga taong nakasaksi sa pagmamahalan nyo and sobrang saya kong malaman na hanggang ngayon kayo pa din. Salamat sa pagkakaibigan and also sobrang saya ko lang talaga na hanggang ngayon yung pinaninindigan nyo yung pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. Next! Ang wish ko sa inyong dalawa is yung love nyo for each other still continue to grow with each passing year, and wishing you endless happiness, joy, and love for your anniversary. See you next year, and love you both. Kung may problema, andito lang kami.
Hi Jess, happy anniversary sa inyo ni Titan. Baka may nagtagal ka ring relasyon. Anyway, keep strong and mahal na mahal ka ni Titan. Bye!
Jessica, happy 5th year anniversary. At alam mo, mahal na mahal ka ni Tristan. Sobra.
Happy anniversary! Oh, stay in love.
Bawal na away, stay in love, 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 love.
Happy anniversary, mga best! Happy 5th anniversary.
Di ba na ba?
Di ba? Nakalain mo yun, no?
Okay lang yan. Mas matagal pa sila sa atin.
Best! Sabi ni Kay Boy, mahal na mahal ka daw niya. Huwag mo na daw siyang awayin, ha?
Lagi mo kasing inaaway. Huwag mong inaaway.
Magmahalan lang, okay?
Paano may kakasal na ba yan? Hindi pa?
Secret.
Pangkasal ba to?
Secret.
Congrats nga pala sa inyong dalawa. Binabati ko kayo. Sana maging maayos at ligtas ang pag-uwi ni Kakay sa Pilipinas.
Bye!
Anniversary, surprise.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, Tita Kakay and Tito E-Boy! Love, love, love!
Love, love, love! Tito Tristan and Tita Kakay. Yay!
Hello, boy. Happy 5th anniversary. Long sulat sa pizza nyo. Sana gawin niyo yung relationship yung wala. Sa pares.
Happy 5th anniversary, Jessica. Mahal na mahal ka rin this time. Sobrang mahal ka niya. Bye-bye.
Hi Kai, Pops. Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Alam mo Kai, napakaswerte mo dyan kay Boboy kasi talagang mahal na mahal ka niyan tsaka talagang iingatan ka niya ng gusto. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa yung magandang samahan nyo. Tsaka huwag nyo na patagalin. Ilagay nyo na yan sa kasalan. Iingat kayo palagi. Tsaka best wishes sa inyong dalawa.
I love you, Dubs. I just want to greet you happy 5th anniversary. I love you so much. Sana natuwa ka sa nagawa ko. Doon sa video hindi sa mga katarantadong nagawa ko na. So, ayun, gusto mo kita i-greet ng happy 5th anniversary. I love you so much. And gusto ko lang malaman nila na wala na akong hihingin pa dahil nasa iyo na ang lahat. At as in, kompleto. As in, masaya ako sa buhay ko kasi dumating ka at naging malaking part ka ng buhay ko. So, thank you for being my girlfriend. And siguro kung magsasabi ako kung paano kita i-describe is that you're my life and I cannot live without you and I love you so much. So, yun lang and I hope nag-enjoy ka sa video and bye-bye. I love you so much. Happy 5th anniversary, baby!